Hello po, my name is Rian Bautista and I will show my way how to solve the problem and how to do it. Here is the question. Ben wants to know the concentration of solution made by dissolving 30 grams of chlorine powder in 60 grams solution. And these are the pattern for solving percentage by mass and volume. There's a given, find, formula, solution, and final answer. First, write your given. Second, find percent by mass. Third, using formula, percent by mass is equals to mass of solute over mass of solution times 100. Fourth, write your solution. Dito nyo rin ilalagay ang sagot at ang solution nyo sa formula. So, i-divide nyo ang 30 grams sa 60 grams. So, 30 grams divide 60 grams is equals 0.5. So, ang 0.5, ita-times natin siya sa 100 at ang magiging sagot ay 50%. At ang last is final answer. At ang 50% ay ilalagay natin sa final answer. So, the answer is 50%. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned about ways of expressing concentration of solutions.